Alright, so today I'm going to do try to attempt to do a rat tail hinge. Last night we had didn't get a forge weld, so I'll probably put both these videos out. I'll show you my failure of forge weld, and we'll see if anybody's got any suggestions for me to do. I'm always open to criticism. So just remember that. If you got something I'm doing wrong, you probably have never learned it. So go ahead and tell me and I'll take your advice. So a rat tail hinge is it's a complex hinge. I'm not going to say it's complicated, but I'll post a picture of it and hopefully we'll get one done. So hopefully I'll get one done, so I have a good picture of that, my own work. I found 2 videos, I think, on YouTube about how to do this. So if anybody's got any questions about it, hopefully I'll be able to answer them after this video. So it's a learning process for both of us, me and you. I've got a mark here on my anvil, about 1 inch in. I'm going to taper it off first and then go there and start drawing that bar out a little bit. So first off, we're going to taper this. We'll come in and I'm going to say it's probably going to be less than that even. That's about right. So I'll put the mark on the wrong side of the anvil, but next time we'll do that, I'm going to remark it the other side of the anvil. That's a rookie mistake. So, a rat tail hinge is kind of complicated, I think, because I've never done anything like it. So, it's a learning experience for me, and I hope it will help one of you that watch this video, whether you're a subscriber or not. And I only found, I think it was 2 videos on Facebook or on YouTube on how to make a rat tail hinge. So there's not much of this out there. And also, if anybody has any tips for me, I'll be more than happy to accept them. Alright, so I got a piece of chain to help dampen that anvil noise for you. That helped a lot, I think. So what I'm doing now, I'm working on this edge of the anvil to help taper this out some more, this bar out. And this is just a piece of, all it is a piece of round stock. taper. Then we'll end up rounding this off as well. Continue just drawing this bar out. Next step, we'll start rounding it off on the next heat. So that means making from 4 corners to doing an octagon and a hexagon and just finishing off. We'll start rounding it off. Alright, so in this heat, I'm going to keep taper, bring that taper up a little bit higher, try to get a uniform thickness all the way around. I'm going to probably make this as long as wide, or as long as the anvil is wide, if that makes sense. So it's going to be probably close to 4 inches. So we're getting there, just a little bit farther to go. I'm gonna try to get a uniform thickness as close as I can to the rest of the bar for at least 3 of those 4 inches. So that's about 4 inches there. The next heat, we're going to continue rounding off that top part. So I'm going to start rounding off that top part. There's the 4 corners. Now let's go continue to roll it. this is where a rounding die would come in hand really nicely. Still needs a little bit more rounding done. Help even it up. What I'm going to do next is flatten this out. So we'll get it'll almost be like a leaf. Almost like a leaf. So if you can see, looks like a leaf. All I'm doing here is really light hammer blows. That's pretty uniform there. What I'm going to do next is put this aside. I'm going to work on the other part of the hinge of this. Alright, so now what I'm going to try to do is set this down in here. Alright, so it's been a little bit. I went ahead and drilled the holes. There's 3 holes in the flange part, both sets, and 1 hole down here, and I'm going to call it the leaf. But I guess that would be the rat tail part. I went ahead and just rounded off this top, keep that top flange from popping off. And due to the fact that this is going to be given to him to possibly sell as like a it's like a demo piece. I went ahead and did like a wood grain or a grain structure on this side and just a flat on this side. And I'm probably going to make one more with textured hammer marks in it. But finished it with beeswax. Gives it a nice black, dull black finish. I'm going to go ahead and make a couple more, maybe one more for sure. And these do have to go on a flush set. I repeat, a flush set cabinet. There can't be any type of offset at all, whether it be the counter door or the door of the cabinet, or whether it's the outside piece of the cabinet. So, hope you enjoyed.